Oh, no, it doesn't.
Dude, there's smoke going out of the front of the garage. Alright, you ready? You want to film this?
No, use your phone.
You know what, believe it or not, the phone is kind of weird. It can't really pick up movement that well. I gotta look into it. Plus this.
Alright.
That secondary is gonna go.
Make sure you, is it on?
I think so.
It's
It's drawing only 4.9 amps. Yeah, it's smoking.
It's at like 400.
Dude, that's going bad.
730.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. 800. Look at this, look at this. Get on camera.
That reeks!
Oh my god. 870.
870? Let me see the gun.
Alright, hold on, I'll do that. It was at 900. Do that.
Oh my god, 902. Okay, this is gonna be bad with my grandparents. Look at the back of the garage.
950, look at that.
Wow.
Oh my.
That's really disgusting.
Jesus.
Okay. I'd say that secondary's gone.